This is an Atwood stove, works strictly on LP. I'm going to show you how to light it. It's a real simple system. First, you want to make sure your LP tanks are turned on. You have 3 burners, and your controls are for each burner right up front. This one has an automatic spark, which will actually ignite the flame for you. So we're going to go ahead and turn the knob to light, and go ahead and just click this to spark. As you can see, it lights. Then you can adjust your flame high or low. If for some reason your stove doesn't have an igniter, just use one of your match lighters here, turn it on to light, and there you go, the same way. This one is equipped with an oven. The oven is not something you can light with an igniter. You're gonna have to use your light stick. Go ahead and open up your oven. Look down below, you'll see your little burner. Put this on to ignite. Light it in the back of your pilot. Once your pilot lights, hold it for a second, let it go, and then adjust your temperature as needed.